Hi friends, in this video session we'll discuss about how to create the charts and customizing the chart elements, layouts and styles. Here you can observe there are 5 columns like months, mobile spend, desktop spend, total spend, clicks, like etc. We have 5 columns. For this we'll create the charts and we'll do the customization of elements, styles and layouts. In this sheet, I don't want this grid lines. Just will grid off these lines. Just go to the view tab and click on grid line. See, already there is a grid line, so it was selected, unselected. Just click on this. We got plain sheet without any grid lines, so that the charts will come clearly. The chart elements, data series, values, everything you can understand very clearly. That's why I removed this grid lines from this sheet. Now first we'll insert the chart. Normally there are few ways to insert the chart. We'll use a shortcut called Alt plus F1. See, normally place the cursor anywhere in the data. Automatically it will select the current region and it will create the chart for the selected current region. Now just I'm giving a shortcut called Alt plus F1. Alt plus F1. See, the chart was created in the same sheet. Select this and delete. Otherwise we'll use another shortcut called just F11, only F11. So another sheet will create with the chart. Just Alt plus F1 means the chart will create in the same sheet, and if you are pressing just F11 it will create in a new sheet. So here your wish, how you want to create, you can create. Now I'm deleting this chart. Go to the sheet and place the cursor anywhere, then go to the insert. Instead of shortcut keys, we'll use options directly from the charts section. In the insert group, see there is a charts group. In this you can select which chart you want to create. Say first of all go to there. You can select any kind of chart, locate there. So I'm selecting just a clustered column chart, locate there. We got the chart with all the columns. See, it is showing data and months. So these are all vertical axis, we call it as y-axis, and it is horizontal axis, we call it as x-axis, and license, chart title, everything it is showing. But I don't want this complete data. So I wanted to insert the chart with a few columns. So delete this. First select the month. Next press Ctrl. Just will select like total spend and clicks only. See, now here I have selected only 3 columns like months, total spend and clicks. Go to the insert, column chart, clustered column, locate there. We got the chart with 3 columns, months, total spend and clicks. See that months horizontal axis and total spends and clicks or in the vertical axis. Now you can do all the changes what you require, like colors, styles, designs. You can apply all the things for this chart. See, once after creating the chart, we'll get chart tools on the top. So in the chart tools, so there are 2 tabs like design and format. So you can choose a design and format. The design, that very important option is add chart element. In that we can add chart title, legend, series and many other options, layouts, rows, columns, chart styles, and the format you can fill with the colors, shape, outlines, effects, and you can change the height and width of the chart. So more things are there in the format, but this design tab is very important. All important options are available in this design tab only. So in the chart tools, go to the design tab. First we'll see in the add chart element. Look at this chart first of all and go to the add chart elements, and in this you can add the axis like a primary, vertical. So you can add the axis and axis titles also, primary horizontal and primary vertical. chart title also. So already there is chart title. If you don't want, you can say none, above, or else overlay. And data labels, that means values. You can place the values also anywhere, wherever you want. And data tables, error bars, and grid lines, say vertical, horizontal, legends, so left to right to top, bottom, wherever you want you can place. And trend lines also, look at there, linear, exponential. For data analysis purpose we'll use this trend lines. This also we'll discuss in the later sessions. Just click on this. Here you can choose any trend line, total spend, or else clicks, and quick layouts. Look at there, just you can change any layout and change colors also. So there are two things, colorful and monochromatic palettes. So there are two palettes, so collection of all the designs. Here you can choose any one from this. And chart styles also, already we have some style, and you can change the chart styles also. Look at that. Okay, which kind of chart style you require, you can change. And you can change rows and columns also. There is a switch row or column. Look at there. Total spend and clicks. Look at there. Now total spends and clicks, horizontal and vertical. Just we are changing. We are switching rows to columns, columns to rows. You can choose. And we'll take the select data also. In the select data, you can add the series. You can add, edit, remove the series, and you can add the axis labels, horizontal axis labels, and you can remove the rows, columns. You can do the switch row or column, and you can change the horizontal axis labels. You can select what you want from the data. Here you can change the chart type also. Go to the change chart type. You can select any chart, line chart, pie chart, bar chart, area chart. You can change any chart from one chart to another chart, and you can move this chart from this sheet to another sheet. Otherwise you can create your own new sheet with the chart. So these options from the design tab, you can do all the things. This add chart element is very important. All the things are there in this only. And you can change the legend, chart titles, labels, data series, formats, everything in the chart.